So we are here at Sylhet and we are here to cover the NCL. But last night, all the Bangladeshi fans they were disappointed because it was a do or die game between Bangladesh and Pakistan. The winner will join India. So, well, when Bangladesh started bowling, they started bowling really well because the player coming into the side, Taskin Ahmed and Sheikh Mehdi, both of them bowled well. And I think Pakistan does not bat well at first, but in the end they pushed and they pushed the target to 135, which seemed to be a very medium target. But in the end, when Bangladesh started batting and chasing the score, everybody expected that Bangladesh is going to win because it's a small total. Because on average score on this surface would be somewhere like 160 or 150. That's the chaseable score. But still, that has been a template for Pakistan that they put up a very small total and their bowlers do the job for them and restrict the opponent. That's what Shaheen Afridi did. That's what experience does. He did just like Wasim Akram and he bowled well up front, picked up wickets. And Bangladesh were missing Liton Das very deeply because, yep, Zakir Ali Onik was a stand-in captain. But still, the captaincy of Liton Das, the calmness and the batting of Liton Das, the experience, and we just needed one big partnership that was required just to win because it's a small total, 135. It's not a very big total, not even 140. But still, sadly, Bangladesh could not. It was like Bangladesh being Bangladesh, just in a pressure situation, they just could not deliver. That was really disappointing because if the score would have been 170 or something, just like Bangladesh India match, they lost it by 40 runs, and this time they lost just 11 runs. Can you imagine? That means if someone would have just stayed there, did not give away the wicket, just hold on, that would have been better. But sadly, Bangladesh could not win. And this time, I think Bangladesh become the third team of Asia. We were expecting a final, India-Bangladesh final. So although Pakistan haven't beaten India 2 times in a row, and there have been a lot of political and things like that on and off the field going on. Let's see if third time Pakistan get lucky in the finals. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.